Hey guys, it's your boy Jacob here, back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood, which you guys absolutely love. Let me open it up real quick. Now I'm feeling a little bit less sick, thank God. Let's hope that I can make a full recovery soon. But yeah, it's a pretty simple script for The Hood. I'm not going to say what it's called because it's not appropriate. The name is not appropriate at all. But I'm just going to show it to you guys. So before I start out, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure we can reach that in a couple days. Probably by tomorrow we'll be at 5K. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much the only announcement I have. Make sure you go into the description below and join our Discord. There is a Nitro giveaway going on at the moment, so go ahead and join that while you can. Darn it. And let's get right into it. So let's just wait for everything to load in, and let me just start joining The Hood right away, so that you guys know how to, so that you guys don't have to wait. I can't speak right now. Like I said, I'm sick, and it really sucks, but there's not much we can do about it. So let's wait and get right into it. So here's the code for The Hood, and let's go ahead and click start game. Sorry about that. I forgot to turn off my speaker. So I'm recording. Okay, we're good. I will show you guys the auto farm mostly, but I will also show you the other features that it has. So let's just wait for everything to load, and let's inject it. Alright, so now that everything's loaded in, we're gonna go ahead and open the script, which is pretty simple. I will show you guys, like I said, the little features that it has, and then I will show you the auto farm, because I think you guys are interested in that, because I think it has a really good auto farm. So this is the name. You just execute it. Obviously, it should take a couple of seconds to load. I don't care about this file. Let's wait a little bit. Attach, execute. Let me go ahead and execute it directly. For some reason it's not executing, so I guess I'll have to show you guys. Yeah, it's not executing, so let me see if another script works. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys lower X again due to the fact that it doesn't want to work, and I will fix that probably for next video. Yeah, I'm probably gonna fix that for next video, guys. That's like the least of our problems here. But this one also has auto farms. So you got auto farm, and then here it is. This is one of the best auto farms out there. It's Racematics one. He made it, and it's extremely good. So you do auto rob, and we'll see how much money I can make. Oh wait, I'm a cop. Never mind. Okay, I'm a cop, but then that means we can use the fists, unlock fists. And then we can just do this, and then just arrest people and make some cash. Obviously, first things first, you want to actually get them. Let me check. Someone sent me a message. I don't know what they want. Alright, let me just go ahead and arrest this person, if they even have anything. Crisito, you're out of here. Okay, so we're gonna get 22K. It's like, stop exploiting. Ma'am, I don't think that's possible. I think that's what my channel's about. So let's go ahead and get her for being a little mean to us, you know. Let me get myself God bullet as well, so that, you know, they don't get me. They're gonna leave right now, so it's the least of my problems. Yeah, they left. Oh, they're exiting as well. So let me just reset real quick, and I will exit the police team so I can show you guys how it works. So let me just go into here and change to the other team, and I will see how much we can get informant. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this kid, but this kid's being annoying. So let me just hold on. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait till this kid quits. They can't do anything to me, so we're fine. So I'm just gonna auto block just in case. I'm gonna show you guys how much money we can make in like 3 minutes. So we're gonna see. Now that person's being a blocker right now. I'm just gonna see that word, but it doesn't matter. Like even if they drop me down, I can still auto farm, which is one of the good things about this GUI. So I'm just gonna wait here. Like even if, like I say, even if they get me, it's not gonna affect me at all. So I got bagged for some reason, but I can just literally reset myself. So that's like one of the least of my problems as well, you know. Let me just find it. Yeah, like literally, it's not even a part of a problem. I can just reset and then be back in seconds. But honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised that we're making like 1K a minute, over 1K a minute. So like an hour you can make like probably over 120K in an hour. I'm just, that's just an estimate, but I'm pretty sure you can, honestly. And I got bagged again by that person. So I think they're pretty salty. I think they're pretty salty, guys. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Let me just show you guys. In case this happens to you, in case someone's just literally doing that over and over again, bagging you. Just click force reset, guys. It's not that hard and it's pretty easy to do. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.